At para sa fifth candidate, si Lara ang nagbigay ng katanungan.
You have a beautiful name.
Thank you.
If you could give one person a kiss and that person's life would change forever, who would that person be and why?
If I would have the chance to give a kiss to someone whose life will change forever, I think I will give that kiss to a homeless person, because I think that homeless people, they deserve a chance in this world. Even though they are on the streets, I believe that they have something within them that the world deserves to know. They deserve a chance in this world.
Thank you so much. All right.
Nagbigay ng komento si Coach Lara sa mga naging sagot ng girls.
For Vivory, you had a good answer, but you continued on explaining. When you said something, I would give the meat, at least I would have done something good. You should have stopped from there. Meredith. Okay. Number 1, there's no wrong answer. He was just asking your opinion about the color toilet. But as much as possible, be smooth in your sentences. Remember, it's how you will answer it, not just the content of your answer. Maria, I like your answer. Out of the 5 of you, Maria answered the best. Okay? It was short, but still, it was there. See the content? Just this. It was a good answer, but it was too long. Andun na yung impact, nag-drag pa ulit. Stephanie, your question was, if I was your
I think I can change.
I have already forgotten your answer. You could have done well. Alright, so that's the comment. Maria, you really did well, even in the Q&A. But I don't want you to be complacent, and I don't want you to be overconfident as well.
Of course not.
But for now, Maria is the one to beat.
May karanasan na nga sila, mas magiging magaling pa sila. Pero syempre, di ko na inisip yun, kuya, kasi kahit alam mong mas maganda siya sa'yo, mas matangkad, isipin mo yung kakayahan mo, na kaya mo, at ikaw yung pinakamaganda.
Mindset ko talaga na I'm really a beauty queen. Even though it's really not my comfort zone, I have to act like I'm one. Dapat i-improve ko yung mga weaknesses ko.
Right, see, I'm gonna go. Thank you. I will see you again.
Ang hindi nakasagot ng maayos na si Steph, may sinabi sa kaibigang si Maria.
Это моя пена, это моя там салт. Sen kanske har salt på en pekino? Ja, you're Brazilian. You're not American. You're not Filipina. Yeah. Your English is not perfect, you know? You're amazing. You can just answer next time, you answer the question in Portuguese, and I'm going to translate it for you, okay? No, it's okay. It's okay. I can do that. Thanks. It's okay. I'm just nervous. Too pressure. 100%.
Alam ko po talaga na mahirap kung gusto mo talagang gawin pero nahihirapan ka. Even though, of course, this is a competition. I will go to her and comfort her kung nasasaktan po siya.
Love you. Love you. Love you.
Susunod ang masayang intercultural party ng mga housemates. Sa pagbabalik ng PBB Lucky Season, kinagabihan,
Team Lucky 7?
Yes.
Steph? And Maria?
Yes. Indeed.
Ngayong gabi, kayong lahat ay magkakaroon ng isang party kung saan ang dalawang kultura ay magiging isa. Gusto ko lahat kayo ay mag-enjoy at magsaya at mas kilalanin ang isa't isa. Does everybody want to party? The night is yours.
The boys have known about this for the whole day now. This is culture swap. So Brazil, Philippines together as one. Today, you'll see, I'm not going to tell you what happens, going to keep it a surprise, but throughout the night, there are going to be things from both cultures.
Ibinahagi ng housemate ang national dance ng Pilipinas kay Steph at Maria.